Dan Lundy.
Someone's beeping.
He's here to shoot. He's never shot a gun in his life.
Yeah, I have.
You have not?
Have two.
BB guns don't count.
I shot a good one.
Paintball guns don't count.
66 caliber. Or
66 caliber? Whoa.
My fault.
Man, so what kind was it?
It was one of John's.
They don't make a 66
I had this
caliber.
little toy plastic dinosaur, and I shot it up in John's basement.
Oh, yeah?
John was there the whole time.
Yeah, cock it. There's no safety. The cock is the safety. Just hold it steady.
And don't let it go.
Give her brother a shot.
Nice job.
It goes boom.
Your whole body goes woo.
Like a handle like that.
Just hold it a little bit more steady.
See how close he gets.
No.
Yeah.
I just want to get his body. This is
Stand
funny.
up a little bit closer. You gotta cock it back. Just like,
Cock it back
yep.
and shoot.
Just hold it steady.
Low.
Go ahead, shoot a couple more.
2 more, then I get 2 more. No, 1 more.
Yeah, one more. Okay.
Point it down.
No, you can point it up. Don't drop it.
There's just 1 left.
Doesn't kick that much.
No.
Josh got knocked back.
What's the time, man?
Here, shoot the can over here.
Oh, watch if he misses.
Which one? The first one?
Yeah. Fuck you, Zane. He missed.
Oh well.